Okay, thank you. She said massage only 300 peso. This, Georgi, it's also bar massage. Massage? Ah, spa. This is spa. Spa salon. Number 2 blogger, you see. Number 2 blogger electric bike use. Oh, number, I don't know, 1. Number 2, number 1. Uncle John, you want, Georgi? You want to drink? Georgi want drink.
Oh my God! Very nice!
Don't have water for you? Okay, can go to 7-Eleven. Yes. In 7-Eleven more choice. Oh, it's already open bar, new bar. Party bar. One bar. Away second bar.
Second close.
Second soon open.
I subscribe to your channel. Can we have a picture?
You subscribe really?
Yeah, of course.
Thank you for watching.
Can we have
Maybe I know your Facebook. You have boyfriend foreigner. Because you're also in Facebook.
Yeah,
Facebook page.
but we're now separated.
Already separate? Before foreigner, yes? But why? What happened?
Because he wants to other girls.
It's big problem here, you know, because you know, so many girls and some of guys, they cannot control self, you know. Need to, if one girl already have, not need another, yes? You see, I'm with Shira already 9 years. I don't like another girls. I only with her, only one girl. Yes, you know. I hope you can find a good one.
You're so subscribed.
I know. Okay.
Where's the other one?
Georgi?
Georgi is always one.
Georgi. Georgi, we can walk here. Georgi very want drink. He go to 7-Eleven, but I want to go to take video from walking street. Makers Club. Makers. First bar, number one. One bar. One. Georgi always so faster. Georgi, and this time you like foods in the Scorebirds Hotel? Don't know. I think before better, because before have so many foods, now not so many. Okay, we can check next time. Next time I don't know, maybe next time I'm not in the Philippines, because you know, traveling. If next time I'm not in the Philippines, you can take video, Georgi, also. Okay? You can use your phone. We already come back because I park car here. I have many kind of massage here.
Massage?
300 peso only.
Massage, 300
Only 300 peso. How long hour?
1 hour.
1 hour?
299.
Good. Okay, thank you. Maybe next time. So you go home, Georgi? Tomorrow you will take video or not?